Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of August. It is the Sleek eyeshadow palette. I will put a link in the description box down below that will take you to the video that talks about how to enter that one, as well as a couple other giveaways that I have got going on right now. All of my giveaways are just for my subscribers, so make sure that you are subscribed. Come and join the family. I'm already putting stuff aside, a big box of stuff aside for our 300 subscriber giveaway, so help us get there. So Sephora Play is $10 a month. They usually ship out 5, most of the time they're like sample sizes and deluxe sizes in there, but they are more the higher end ones. And I do know for this month that they are shipping out 6 items. So let's dive into the bag and see what they gave us. There is a card that talks about the different products. And they always give you an extra 50 bonus points that you can either use online or in the store as well. So this month is all about beauty sidekicks. Every superhero needs a sidekick. And this month you get all 6, from killer strands to glowing skin. Your new beauty will make you feel like you have superpowers. From Buxom Beauty, wow, is their full-on plumping lip cream gloss. It is in the shade Hot Toddy. Full size of this does retail for $21. Buxom is a cruelty-free brand, and this shimmer-free cream gloss is a toasty nude shade. Wraps lips in moisture, visibly plumping lips, and fits in your pockets. So you can go from civilian to hero in a swipe. About the brand, Buxom is known for their tingly, visibly plumping formula, and this unique line of glossy cream comes in a wide variety of shades, all named after delicious beverages. I've heard so much good things about Buxom, I've just never tried them before. So I am super excited about this. Here is what it looks like, and I already have obviously the products on right now. This is really pretty, you guys. I cannot wait. And let me know how the lip plumping goes with them. From Bobbi Brown, wow, is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base Priming Moisturizer. If it can be a primer and a moisturizer, sign me up. This full size of this does retail for $65, and this oil-free moisturizer moonlights as a primer and uses the power of antioxidants to help protect the skin. How to use: massage a pearl amount on a clean, dry skin after treatment and before foundation for smooth, cushiony coverage that won't budge. Love it. Here's what the product itself looks like. And there's a ton in here. I'm excited that it works both as a primer and a moisturizer. From Ren Clean Skin is their Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. A full size of this does retail for $49. Ren Clean Skincare is cruelty-free, providing comfort and protection for skin in distress. It's an antioxidant-packed cream specialty. How to use: for the last step in your routine, smooth a dime-sized amount over skin and allow the cushiony texture to soothe and hydrate morning and night. So I will have to give this one a try. I'm excited about this one. This one is the Sunday Riley. It is their A+ high dose retinoid serum. I can tell you that this works wonders. I do have the full size of this. Love it. Sunday Riley is cruelty free. Full size of this does run you $85. So what it is, it's a retinoid serum with super strength and a gentle side is exactly what you need to combat the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. I've been noticing a big difference with my lines by using this. Highly recommend this. How to use: smooth a dime size amount over the clean dry skin before moisturizer at night. And don't forget to wear sunscreen the next day. It will make you more vulnerable to the sun the next day, so make sure to wear your sunscreen. Because I already have a full size of this. This one's going in that giveaway. By Algenist is their Genius Sleeping Collagen. Keep saving the day even while you sleep with this vegan collagen packed night cream that fights the lines of fine lines and wrinkles. Full size of this does retail for $98, and massage a pearl size amount onto your dry skin as a last step at night. That's when your skin is the optimal recovery mode, so you wake up with smoother skin. And they did choose this one for me based on my skin concern of obviously lines and wrinkles. This is exclusive to Sephora. And on that Rengen, it was one that was chosen for me as well. And it's also one of their best sellers. The Sunday Riley is also an exclusive product. From Alterna Haircare, CAVIAR Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. They are cruelty free and it does retail for full size retails for $34. I need the help I can get with frizz. If frizz no more with this smoothing protective leave-in hair cream. Warm a quarter size amount with your hands to watch it transform from cream to oil and apply throughout damp strands before styling. Yes, please. If it can help me with my frizz, sign me up. So the past couple months, Sephora's been doing a really, really good job of their products. There was a while there it was kind of but the past 2 months have been really, really good. I really, really like this box. Obviously, I think my two favorite are the Buxom gloss and then A+ High Dose Sunday Riley, as well as I think I'm gonna really like this Algenist night cream. Everything was really good. What were your favorite products? Did you get the same thing? Did you get something different in your box? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day and I will see you soon. Bye.